Meantime, this pandemic has taken a toll on mental health. A study from the National Center for Health Statistics shows 1/3 of Americans are showing signs of clinical depression or anxiety, and that data is through May 19th. That's before protests started after the death of George Floyd. Amy Kawada shows us why doctors are now concerned for the long-term effects and how you can get some help.
After weeks of isolation and the uncertainty of dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, it's no surprise that many people are feeling depressed, anxious, or not sleeping well.
I think the biggest things that trigger these kind of feelings are the lack of knowing what's going to happen and the lack of a sense of where it will all end.
Many are turning to medications to cope, which experts say can quickly become a habit.
The medications which are most used for anxiety are very addictive, and we should be very concerned about people taking them for the long term.
A recent report by Express Scripts found anti-anxiety medication prescriptions have spiked 34% during the pandemic, prompting doctors to worry about possible long-term consequences like addiction and abuse of the drugs. Popular antidepressants like Zoloft and its generic counterparts have even been added to the FDA's list of drugs currently experiencing shortages.
For the most part, people should use them as a bridge to getting the right kind of treatment and not really think about them as the long-term solution to anxiety and worry or insomnia.
So what are some other ways you can cope with stress?
Having a schedule, having a routine, having expectations and some control over your day-to-day activities calms most people down.
Experts also recommend avoiding alcohol or drugs, exercising and sleeping regularly, making the time to unwind, and most importantly, staying connected with loved ones for support.
And there's many resources and tips out there available for how you can cope with your stress and anxiety on your day-to-day life. For more information, head to this story on our website, WJZ.com. I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.